Welcome to Ivory Creek Handmade. Today we are going to do a rose essential oil soap. So we have over here, we have 3 different pinks. This is my lazy way of testing which pink I like the most by putting them in layers rather than 3 separate soaps. So we have over here the Himalayan rhubarb, even though it looks quite yellow. We have madder root and we have pink clay. So yes, we'll see which one shows the nicest pink, and we'll have to remember which layer we put them in. Inside here we've got the goat's milk and the oils that are all melted down, and we'll add the lye solution in shortly. So it's pretty simple, aiming for layers if things go wrong, because it is a floral essential oil blend, which is likely, then things are going to go real fast, real quick, and it may not be layers after all, but we'll see how we go. So as always, if you like what we do, subscribe. Otherwise, leave a comment and like, and yeah, I'll put the rest to music and hope you enjoy. Thanks.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.